Hey, it's Travis Blue. You know there's nothing like French onion soup. Hearty, cheesy, delicious. There's lots of variations, but there's one constant. Lots of onions cooked real slow. To make French onion soup, you're going to need onions, this is about 5 pounds, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, about a cup of dry sherry, 8 cups of homemade beef stock. I made this from the bones for my Christmas rib roast. A few sprigs of thyme, a baguette, and some cheese for melting. I have Gruyere and Fontina. So first, we got to slice all these onions. I have 3 kinds of onions here. I have brown, red, and sweet, but you can use any kind you want. A lot of people use all brown, and that's fine. Slicing them is going to take a minute, and I might cry, so let's skip to the end. Ta-da! This looks like a ridiculous amount of onions, and it probably is, but they're going to shrink as we cook them down. In your pot or Dutch oven, heat the oil and melt the butter. Medium-low heat so we don't burn the butter. Put all those onions in with the salt and stir until they're just starting to soften to get a little translucent. Now it's time to cook these down. But you can't walk away. You're going to stir and they're going to reduce and caramelize. It'll take time. It'll take love. It'll take a slow jam. Hey girl,
Yeah.
I'm caramelizing onions.
Ooh. You know I love those slow jam onions.
Turn that heat up to medium high and start to stir. Just keep stirring.
Slow jam.
Be classy. Sip some sherry. That's nice. See that wonderful brown color? Oh, smells like onion heaven. Now you're ready to make the soup. Deglaze the pan with that sherry. Let it bubble, let that sugar just marry with the onions. Get all that wonderful fond out of there. Fond is a French word for brown yummy stuff stuck on the pan. Put in the flour, stir to combine until it cooks off a little bit. Now, pour in the beef stock. Drop in the thyme, let it come to a boil for about 30 minutes. Grab that baguette and slice it up. Put the slices on a sheet pan, brush with olive oil, and toast in the oven for about 15-20 minutes. Cheese time! I'm using Gruyere and Fontina because I love the way it melts, but sliced Swiss is fine, even out of a package. Refill salt and pepper. That's ready to serve. Ladle the soup into an oven-proof bowl and put the bowls on a sheet pan. Put the bread and the cheeses on top. If you don't have oven-proof bowls, just make cheese toasts and put those on top. Turn the broiler to high Put the sheet pan in and broil till the cheese is melted and brown and bubbly. Look at that. Now it's ready to eat. Here it is, French onion soup. Just like I used to get a steak and ale when I was a kid. May it rest forever in Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Try to get everything in one bite, you know. So much flavor. Deep, rich, meaty, a little sweet from the onions. Oh, that wonderful cheese. It's comfort, it's memories, it's everything that French onion soup should be. So make this, try it, you'll love it. Like, subscribe, see you in the next one. Bye.